Bitcoin is fighting to stay up, but let's see where it goes. Hello, welcome to Bigwick Energy, a 100% automated copy trading bot fully managed by the Block Party trading team. It's exclusively available on Mizar, and if you want to get access, just head on over to mizar.ai, check out the marketplace, and we're right there. If you want a truly set and forget experience with automated trading, then this is for you. There is no monthly subscription. We only get paid if we win. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us grow and bring you more awesome content. Enough yapping, let's get into those trades. Okay, as always guys, we're going to take a look at BTC and see what it's doing and where we are today. Interestingly, in some analysis that we did yesterday, we identified this ascending broadening wedge. And, over the past 24 hours, it has proved to be pretty conclusive that this is a trend line and it is being respected, which is pretty good. But what we need to do is we need to get back into this macro channel, and we have just been fighting with the underside of it for the past 24 hours, which is not good. It's not a good look for Bitcoin, because if we can't break above, then this is technically a retest, and we are probably going to smash down definitely to 20,700, maybe 20,000, and also potentially 18,800, which is not great. But we do have a few bullish factors on our side. We have flipped the 20 and the 50 EMA on the 1 hour chart, which is good. And, we've just formed this little bullish pennant here, which is more on the kind of lower time frame, 5 to 15 minute. We tried to break out, but we just got knocked back down. So ideally, we want to be breaking up above around about 21,568. If we can do that quite conclusively with some volume, which would be nice, then it puts us in very good stead to be testing this upper area of around about 22k. Now, at 22k, we do have some pretty bad resistance there. We have the bottom of the weekly pivot, we have the 200 EMA coming into play, and also the top of this, trend line. So I do expect we're going to get rejected there. But, there's always a but. If we do get here and we break out with some volume, this could change everything. This could be an incredibly bullish move. And it also means that it could actually put us on the way to going back up towards the top of this channel, which, yes, it is a little bit premature to say that, and there is a lot to do in order to get there. But it's quite nice to have a tiny bit of bullish sentiment right now. Like I said, this is all irrelevant unless we can get back into this channel. Now, in regards to the Block Party portfolio, not a lot has changed, to be honest. It's been a pretty dull past 24 hours. Haven't done a great deal. I did add a few more trades. Not sure if I covered them yesterday. I can't quite remember. But for the rest of it, we are looking at very no change whatsoever in any safety orders. Like I said, there's been literally no movement. We've gone up a tiny little bit. As you saw with 8 there, we didn't quite fill that safety order. BNB, we are actually looking not too bad. We've risen up a little bit, and we're still only 5% from our take profit. Our average buy. BTC was a trade that we added in yesterday, and we have a target of around this weekly pivot area. However, I'm just going to let it play out. That is a longer term trade. One of the success stories was Chiz, as you can see. Chiz. Chili's, CHZ. Oh, that is absolutely going. One of the success stories from yesterday. So we got into this trade and we got out around about 11%-ish, as I saw Bitcoin doing a bit of a retrace. At the end of the day, with these kind of trades, I'm not too worried about this kind of stuff, because it depends how long you're going to be in the trade. If I'm in this trade for a couple of hours, 3 hours, and I've made 11%, then I'm going to get out. It's good to do, because then you can rotate that liquidity pretty quickly. But Chiz is absolutely going for it. It's gone about 25% since our last call, and we do have a much longer term trade out, which is now nicely in profit in the space of about an hour of about 6%, which is good. EGLD, HNT, IOTX, all of these assets, we've not had any change whatsoever, so we're not going to cover them, because you can just watch yesterday's video. One asset which we are going to cover, though, is SHIB. So I added this trade, and this is my target. We have around about 30% target on it. Why? Because there is so much stuff going on with it. We have the testnet, we have the Amazon burn, and we also have Shiba Infinity, which is looking like a potential rinse and repeat of Axie Infinity, which we all saw just how parabolic that went. Now, the big difference here is that Shiba has so much traction behind it from the social media point, and it's even starting to get some good fundamentals. So keep an eye on that. And like I said, we're going to keep this target at around about 30% to see where that goes. And for the rest of it, guys, I'm not really going to cover anything else because, like I said, you can just watch yesterday's video. We're going to be holding off on too many longs unless we get ourselves comfortably, like I said, above and into this channel region. If we do, then I'm going to put out a few more little trades until we reach up to about 22k, close anything that's in profit around about there, and then look at it again. If we do break out of there, then I'm going to seriously consider absolutely loading the board. I think we could go absolutely parabolic, at least over the short term. Anyway, guys, if you want to follow along with this, then join Mizar, go onto the marketplace and get on Big Wick Energy. And this is this bot, this is this portfolio, and you can follow everything trade for trade, safety order for safety order, and profit for profit. Of course, give us a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.